Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best amp wiring kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Rucker Zero Gauge Amp Wiring Kit, designed for high-performance systems. This kit supports up to 3,000 watts, making it a strong contender for heavy-duty installations. With a 17-foot zero-gauge red power cable, a 3-foot high-performance ground wire, and a gold-plated AGU inline fuse holder, this kit offers robust wiring for demanding setups. The low-noise and distortion-free design ensures a clean and efficient power flow, which is critical for premium audio quality. The build quality here is solid, featuring durable rubberized sleeves for added protection and flexibility. The cables feel sturdy, but they are also pliable enough for tight installations. However, while the zero-gauge wire is great for high-power applications, it might be overkill for smaller setups. The included accessories, like rubber couplings and connectors, simplify the installation process, which is a plus for DIY enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about user experience. While the Rucker kit delivers on performance, some users have noted minor issues with the fuse holder's durability under prolonged use. It's also worth mentioning that this kit has a lower overall rating of 4.0 stars, primarily due to these durability concerns. That said, if you're working with a high-powered system and need a cost-effective solution, this is a kit worth considering. The trade-off between performance and long-term reliability is something to keep in mind. Pros: supports high-powered systems, great value for the cost. Cons: durability concerns with the fuse holder. At number 4, we have the RD True 4-Gauge Car Audio Cable Amp Wiring Kit by Rondexy. This kit offers a complete 4-gauge CCA power and ground cable set, which is perfect for mid-range audio systems. With a 17-foot orange power cable, 3-foot black ground cable, and a tinned OFC 2-channel RCA stereo cable, this kit provides everything you need for a reliable and interference-free audio setup. It also includes a mini ANL fuse holder with an 80-amp fuse, ensuring your system stays protected. The design and build quality are commendable. The soft PVC jacket around the wires makes them flexible and easy to route through your vehicle. The included accessories, such as spade terminals, a grommet, and zip ties, add convenience to the installation process. However, the use of CCA, copper-clad aluminum, instead of pure copper may result in slightly less efficient power transfer, which is something to consider if you're looking for the absolute best audio quality. In terms of performance, the Rondexy kit does a good job of minimizing signal interference and maintaining clean power delivery. It's a great choice for those who want a reliable and affordable kit for a standard car audio setup. However, audiophiles and those with high-powered systems might find the CCA wiring limiting. Pros: flexible design, comprehensive accessories. Cons: CCA wiring may not be ideal for high-power configurations. Taking the third spot is the Gravity 4-Gauge Amplifier Installation Wiring Kit. This kit is designed for systems up to 2,500 watts, making it ideal for car, truck, motorcycle, and even RV audio installations. It includes a 17-foot 4-gauge power cable, a 3-foot ground cable, and a double-shielded RCA cable for excellent sound quality. The package also features a 100-amp inline AGU fuse for system protection. The build quality is reliable, with thick cables that feel durable. The double-shielded RCA cable is a standout feature, as it helps reduce signal interference for crystal-clear audio performance. The kit also includes all necessary accessories, which makes installation straightforward. However, at £3, the kit is slightly heavier than others, which might be a consideration for some users. In terms of value, the Gravity kit offers a great balance of performance and affordability. It's a solid choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. However, if you're running a system above 2,500 watts, you'll need to look for a kit with thicker wiring. Pros: great for mid-range systems, excellent RCA cable quality. Cons: limited to systems up to 2,500 watts. At number 2, we have the TOPSTRONGGEAR 4GA amp kit. This kit includes a 17-foot 4-gauge UltraFlex power cable, an 18-foot RCA cable made from oxygen-free copper, and an 80-amp ANL fuse. The use of oxygen-free copper in the RCA cable is a notable feature, as it ensures minimal signal loss and interference. This kit is well designed, with heat-resistant and water-resistant materials that make it ideal for a variety of vehicles and environments. The 1862-strand power and ground cables are exceptionally flexible, making installation a breeze even in tight spaces. The inclusion of 18 feet of remote turn-on wire and speaker wire adds to the versatility of the kit. When it comes to performance, the TOPSTRONGGEAR kit delivers impressive results. The clean power transfer and high-quality RCA cable make it a favorite among audiophiles and casual users alike. However, it's worth noting that the fuse holder can feel a bit bulky during installation. Pros: OFC RCA cable, durable and flexible wires. Cons: bulky fuse holder. And finally, taking the top spot is the TOPSTRONGGEAR 4-gauge amp wiring kit. This kit is a well-rounded option that combines performance, durability, and affordability. It features a 17-foot soft-touch CCA power cable, a 3-foot ground cable, and a 17-foot 2-channel RCA cable for interference-free audio transmission. The inclusion of an ANL fuse holder with a 100-amp fuse ensures your audio system is well protected. The soft-touch cables are a standout feature, offering flexibility and durability for easy installation. The overall build quality is excellent, with components that feel premium and reliable. The RCA cables provide clear and crisp sound, making this kit a great choice for audiophiles who want high-quality audio without breaking the bank. In terms of value, the TOPSTRONGGEAR kit is hard to beat. It's versatile enough for a variety of audio setups, from basic to mid-range systems. While it uses CCA wiring, the performance it delivers is impressive for the price point. Pros: excellent build quality, soft-touch cables, and great value. Cons: CCA wiring may not be ideal for high-power systems. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.